Top 5 Most Intelligent Animals in the World. Humans may hold the title of the most intelligent beings on Earth, but we face strong competition from the animal kingdom in terms of brain power. From animals that can sniff out terminal illnesses, to others that have a better memory than even us humans, here are the top 5 most intelligent animals in the world. But before we get into which animals will be coming for your jobs, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Animals are all dynamic in different ways, and while some are undoubtedly more intelligent than others, this list reveals the top 5 that exhibit the common traits of self-awareness and intelligence. At number 5 on our countdown are rats. This may come as a shock, but rats are actually highly intelligent animals with a very cunning and intuitive nature. Rats have managed to colonize every country and continent on the planet, except for Antarctica. They are widely used in research for several human experiments due to their ability to figure out loopholes and shortcuts, enabling them to easily escape even the most complex contraptions. The intelligence of rats has been evident where they have successfully detected diseases like tuberculosis in humans, saving thousands of lives in the process. Rats have even been trained to sniff out and detect explosives, most especially landmines in war-torn regions. It is estimated that rats have successfully detected over 18,000 cases of tuberculosis and also detected over 100,000 landmines and unexploded devices. It takes a rat less than 30 minutes to check a full-size tennis court for explosives, a task that would take a human with a metal detector 4 days to complete. A truly impressive show of intelligence. At number 4 is the crow. Crows are a truly impressive species of bird when it comes to intelligence. These birds have been known to portray some truly intelligent habits, one of which includes the nut-cracking trick. Crows living in some of Japan's urban areas have been known to gather nuts from trees, and then place them on busy streets for cars to run over them and crack them open. These birds would then wait for the traffic light to turn green before proceeding to fly down and pick up the open nuts. Amazing, right? Crows are also known to have really great memories, as they can recognize and identify people or animals that pose a threat and avoid them. A study of crows also reveals that they possess a high level of reasoning and can understand analogies comparable to 7-year-old kids. Crows have also been observed to play tricks and games on each other, a trait that only a few animals exhibit. Taking the number 3 spot on the list are elephants. Elephants aren't just big, lumbering species of animals, but happen to exhibit one of the highest forms of intelligence in the animal kingdom: empathy. These large mammals show a great deal of care and empathy to members of their group and animals of other species as well. Contrary to popular opinion, elephants are very curious animals and have been observed to have really good memories. They are able to recognize more than 30 relatives of their group just from their urine sense, a useful trait they use in locating one another even when they are miles apart. Elephants in captivity have been known to understand and follow human commands when trained, something only a few animal species are able to do to a certain degree. Also, due to their large size, elephants have the largest brains of any kind of animal, almost 3 times larger than the human brain. Their brains also weigh a staggering 10.5 pounds, with over 257 billion neurons firing simultaneously, a number that is also 3 times that of the human brain. Elephants exhibit a unique behavior where they can recognize themselves in mirrors and have been observed to show grief and mourning over dead relatives. At number 2 on the list are dolphins. The intelligence of dolphins is something that humans have studied for decades, and we've only yet scratched the surface of what their brains are capable of. The intelligence of these animals is the reason why dolphins and whales are usually the star attraction of most aquariums and water parks. Dolphins are extremely social animals and are almost smarter than any other animal with the way they interact with humans. They are also known to be one of the few animals that have fun amongst themselves, racing, surfing, spinning, and jumping in and out of the ocean just to enjoy themselves. Like most intelligent animals, dolphins remain with their young for years, teaching them valuable things they need to survive in the ocean. Dolphins also possess a unique language, one which humans have been studying and are still barely able to understand. They have also been known to use objects in their environment to their advantage. The body-to-brain ratio of dolphins is built in such a unique way that it is second only to that of humans. While humans have only been successful in building sonar equipment and devices, dolphins are born with it, using it in the form of echolocation. They produce sonar sounds and vibrations which enable them to locate each other over hundreds of miles and help them hunt and navigate even the deepest and darkest parts of the ocean floor. This incredible sonar ability has been employed by the US Navy in locating mines and enemy vessels underwater. Dolphins are also known to show empathy and understand human emotions as well, which helps them interact with us in ways no other sea creature can. Before mentioning the most intelligent animal in the world, here are two honorable mentions who would make the top 5 list on any given day.
Except this one.
Squirrels and pigs. That's right. Squirrels are also quite intelligent, known for sorting and hiding their nuts in numerous locations, and being able to locate them after months of winter. They are also quite deceptive, in that they can pretend to dig holes and hide their food, and then run off to do it in another secret location. Pigs, on the other hand, have a reputation for being dirty animals, but that doesn't mean they are dumb animals. Pigs have been used in various human experiments around the world because of their high cognitive reasoning. They can solve complex tasks, such as locating food that was placed behind a glass or mirror, by going around it, something most animals fail at. So, here we are. The most intelligent animal in the world is the chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are the only other animal that show a high and similar intelligence quota to humans, which is fitting as we share over 96% of the same DNA. Orangutans are particularly exceptional at brain development and fairly good at weighing the benefits of exchanging food and goods with one another. Chimpanzees are the only other animal capable of learning sign language and communicating with humans, in which they can remember the name sign for humans they haven't seen in years. Chimps are also one of the few animals that can recognize themselves in mirrors and show empathy and emotional attachment to one another and other species as well. Apart from humans, chimps are also the only other animals that make tools such as spears for picking fruits and use rocks to crack open nuts. Another trait that places chimps at the top of this list is that they are the only animal that can beat humans in a memory test. This clip shows a chimp acing a memory test every time, while a human is barely able to keep up. There you have it, guys. Be sure to leave a comment down below on which animal you think is the smartest, and we'll see you in the next video.